Gusto mo rin gawin ang ganitong klase ng effect? Tara sa CapCut. Last time, tinuro ko kung paano gawin ang ganitong paper ball animation. Gawin nating mas madali yan. Both in CapCut Mobile, we need 2 clips. Import it in CapCut. In between these clips, merong white handle dyan. Tap at lalabas ang options ng mga transitions. Search for paper ball. Select, tap, take. Add sound effects. Go to audio. Select crumpled paper. Tap the plus sign, and export. In your CapCut PC, import your clips. Select the 2 clips and tap the plus sign. Go to Transitions. Search for paper ball. In my case, nasa favorites ko na yan. Search for paper ball. Tap the plus sign. And automatic, mag-add na yan between the 2 clips. Let's add sound effects. Go to audio. Since nasa favorites ko na yan, tap yours. Go to favorites. Go to sound effects. Select crumpled paper. Tap the plus sign. Then trim natin since ito lang ang need natin. And that's it. Don't forget to follow for more basic editing tips. Oh, simple yan ha. Okay, bye.